Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not working on your Android phone. So let's get started. The very first thing when you're having this issue is that you want to make sure that you don't have any case or screen protector that may be covering the microphone. Usually the microphone grill is on the bottom. Now getting to the bottom is you also want to make sure there's no dust, dirt, lint that's blocking the microphone here. You'll see these ports right here, these two little ones, depending on the model of Android phone has getting some, sometimes it may be up top here as well. So you want to make sure those are not blocked. You want to clean them out as possible. Now, after that, the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is for the microphone is that you're going to restart your phone. So you can do that from the top here. You can see a power icon, go restart, or you can use your volume down in the side button as well. That will bring up the menu to restart as well. Basically, a restart helps with any software issue that may be causing the microphone not to work. Now, another thing you want to go ahead and check out is in your settings, you want to go ahead and go to connections and click on Bluetooth and make sure that the Bluetooth isn't connected to another device. What happens is when it's connected to another device, it may be actually looking for sound input coming from that device instead of the phone's microphone. So you want to go ahead and turn it off and see if the microphone works after that. Now, if it works, then you know it's that device that it's connecting to. Now, moving on to the next troubleshooting step you want to do is microphone permissions. So when it comes to apps, they require permissions that you have to give. So in your settings, you're going to go to apps. And in the app section, let's go into apps. You want to make sure that the app has the microphone access. So let's go ahead and pick an app here. I'm going to pick, for example, we're going to go ahead and find an app like Facebook, right? Once you find Facebook, you're going to click on permissions. And I'm going to make sure that microphone is on the allowed section. Let's say it says not allowed, right? It's not in the allowed section. You'll find it here in the microphone and you want to select while using the app or ask every time. But if it says don't allow, of course, the microphone will not work on that app. So you want to go down for each app that you require the microphone access to give it the access. So it's important that you go through each one, select it, click on permissions and see if microphone has options available and then allow that. And that will go ahead and fix the microphone issue. Now, another thing you want to go ahead and do if you're still having issue is just updating your phone software. So in the settings, you're going to go down and look for software update. Now check for update. Now if there is an update available, you're going to go ahead and update it. You're going to keep on updating till it's updated to the latest version. Now let's say you did the update and it's still not working. Now if it's a specific app microphone issue, another thing you want to do is under the settings, click on the app and then find the app itself that you're having issues. And then for this time around, instead of going to permissions, you're going to go to storage. You want to do a clear cache. So you look for a clear cache option here. This one doesn't have it. You're going to go through the apps that you're having issues. You're going to click on it, click on storage, and then clear cache. You can go ahead and do it for each app that you're having issues, and that should go ahead and fix it as well. Now, if it's still not fixed, the next thing you're going to go ahead and do is basically check out your phone's ability to put it in safe mode. So usually you can pull down the top menu and then press and hold the power icon, put it in safe mode. And then once you're in safe mode, it's going to restart the phone. You're going to restart again and turn it back on, and that should go ahead and fix it. Now, if you're still having the issue, it's time to reset app setting preferences. So in your setting, you're going to go ahead and open up, and this time we're going to go back to apps and then click on the three dots here, and you're going to look for the option. Basically, if it has reset app preferences, this will reset app preferences. It will not delete your data, so you're going to go ahead and do that. Now, after you have done that and you're still having the issue with it, it could potentially be that your device has a defective microphone. That happens from time to time. In that case, you'll have to get it repaired physically. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.